In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ClickUp notifications not working. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool that helps teams stay organized, but sometimes the notification system can leave you hanging. If you're missing alerts about important tasks, mentions, or comments, it can disrupt your workflow. Don't worry today. I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and fix any notification issues in ClickUp so you never miss an update again. Let's dive in. First, start by clicking on your profile avatar in ClickUp. This is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings menu and then select Notifications. Here you'll see all the available notification channels, like desktop, email, and mobile. Make sure to enable the ones you actively use. If you're not receiving alerts, this is a great first step to ensure the notifications are turned on for the right platforms. Next, you'll want to customize your notification preferences. Adjust the sound banner and timing options to match your needs. For example, you can select whether notifications pop up immediately or with a slight delay, and you can choose how they appear on your screen. Tailoring these settings can make a big difference in ensuring you notice alerts when they happen. Now, let's address notifications at the task or space level. If you're finding that specific tasks or spaces aren't sending updates, navigate directly to the task or space in question. Look for an option labeled Notify Me or something similar. This setting ensures you receive updates for that particular task or space. Be sure to enable it. Also, double-check that notifications for task updates, mentions, and comments are turned on. These are the most common types of notifications people rely on, and it's important they're active in your settings. Moving on, you'll want to verify your device settings to make sure ClickUp is allowed to send notifications. If you're on Windows, open your device's Settings menu, go to System, then Notifications. Find ClickUp in the list of apps, and make sure notifications are allowed. On a Mac, open System Preferences, head to Notifications, and enable ClickUp. Be sure to allow banners and sounds. For mobile users, go to your device's settings, tap Notifications, and find ClickUp. Make sure alerts are enabled on your lock screen, in the Notification Center, and as banners. If the issue persists, it's a good idea to clear the app's cache and restart ClickUp. To do this, head into ClickUp Settings, then Preferences. From there, select Clear Cache. Once you've cleared the cache, fully quit the app and relaunch it. This can resolve minor glitches that may be affecting your notifications. Another thing to check is whether Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is enabled on your device. These modes can block notifications entirely. If they are on, either turn them off or add ClickUp to the allowed list of apps so notifications can come through even when these modes are active. If none of the earlier steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the ClickUp app. This ensures you're starting fresh with the latest version of the app, which can resolve deeper issues that may not be fixable by tweaking settings alone. Finally, test your setup to make sure everything is working as expected. Create a test task in ClickUp or mention yourself in a comment, then confirm that the notification appears on the channel you've set up, whether it's desktop, email, or mobile. If the alert comes through, you're all set. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start boosting your productivity today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.